we bought an experimental aircraft. Thing is, it hadn't been flown in years. No big deal, I thought. I've been buying dust-covered projects for almost 2 decades.
Alright, clear pop.
Would this end up being the deal of a lifetime? Or would it be one of the worst projects I've ever taken on? Follow along as we transform our Sonex from a fixer to a flyer.
Unbelievable. Only in aviation.
Chores are done. I've got the house to myself. Let's work on an airplane. I haven't had a good chance to just go through and clean everything. The airplane did sit for a few years, thankfully in a hangar. I think we need to give her the clean she deserves. Well, what are we cleaning the plane with? Did a lot of online research, and a lot of guys use a lot of different things. One of the more consistent ones I saw was just doing a 50-50 mixture of water and alcohol. And I think for this being the bare aluminum polished airplane, probably the best way to go. Alright, let's get to it. I'm just going to do a small portion here on the tail. I've got to fix and repaint this tip anyway. Here goes nothing. Not quite as small and inconspicuous as I probably should have done. We'll see. This is just a basic shop towel. I've got to polish the thing anyway. Job I'm definitely not looking forward to. That job might be getting subbed out. And just for fun, let's see how this concoction does on the cowling too. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Yeah, that's a couple years worth of crud, all right. The airplane's shaking, you know you're doing it right. Now you can see a clear difference what I'm talking about with the oxidation on the bare aluminum versus the polished section. On this side, you had a plastic cover with painter's tape around to keep dust and everything from getting in the cockpit because the canopy was broken. Whereas on this side, it was just out to the elements. It's the reality of having a polished airplane. You're going to have to put some elbow grease into it. And this even needs to be polished again for sure. But there's that oxidation. Clean your teepers, Mr. Shark. Alright, now we gotta lift the tail so we can get the underside. Gotta love a Sonex. The best way to clean the other side of the airplane is to be under the airplane. So here we are. No idea how good this shot's going to be, and I don't really care to set it up right now. I just need to get the job done. Boom. One section at a time. This 50-50 water alcohol mixture is actually working out pretty good. I'm surprised. Not too shabby. Definitely cleaner than it was. There's a little bit of insight of what's to become when this thing gets polished up nice. Too bad it's a bunch of junk there and not, I don't know, something more interesting. It's definitely the wings turn to get cleaned up, but I don't know how much luck I'm going to have doing this here on top of my car. Looks like this job might have to wait. I think we're nearing the end of what we can do on this cleaning day here, so next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just wipe down the panel. And it's got dust too. I'm just going to use a mild glass cleaner on a microfiber towel. I thought about compressed air, just blowing it all off, but let's trap it in the microfiber. About it for our cleaning task for the day. If you like this video, there's more coming. A lot of work yet to do before we get her airworthy again. Plan on putting out a video every week or two. We'll see how it goes, life and whatnot. You know, like everybody says, hit that little like button, hit the subscribe, hit the little bell. Until next time, let's live the adventure that life can be from the left seat. Thanks for watching.